Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Today is gonna be absolutely crazy, so buckle up, grab some popcorn. Today's video is going to be prom get ready with me, all that stuff. Little background story. So I'm working with Windsor on my Instagram, but not on YouTube. So this video is not sponsored by Windsor, but all of this is for my shoot with Windsor, if that makes sense. I'm gonna be having a prom photo shoot today, later in the evening, but there's a lot of things that I need to do leading up to it. So first off, I need to get caffeine. Necessities.
Alright, can I get a small iced chai with almond milk, please? That should be it. Thank you.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I have a gift card. Thank you. Have a good one. You too. So, I have my chai. I'm so excited to drink this. This is about to be so amazing. I'm currently going to the hair salon to get a blowout and beach waves in my hair. And my appointment is at 11, but it's 10:38 right now, so I have time to like drink and enjoy my chai and fill you guys in on the plan. Literally, I'm so stressed, y'all. I feel like this is the most stress that I've ever felt in my life. At 3 o'clock, I have a photo shoot. I typically always do my makeup for things. I realized that that's one of the things that I can do by myself. So hair, I just can never do my curls the way that the people at the salon can do them. So I'm going to see my girl, Sierra. She works at Salon Mystique. So if you guys ever need a place to get your hair done, go to Salon Mystique in Austin, Texas. It's great. Oh wow, this is good. So typically when I shoot with a brand and I'm doing a bunch of looks and a bunch of outfit changes, the particular brand usually flies me out and then they kind of take care of it. So this is a little bit different. I had like complete control over all of this. It was a lot more stressful, but you know, I'm always down to try new things. I feel like that's how you grow as a person and how you grow if you want to be in this business. What Windsor is asking me to do is shoot 10 different outfits. So I have like over 15 prom dresses at my house, or 15 pairs of heels, accessories. Like it just came in this huge massive box. So I was like, oh my gosh, like how am I gonna find a photographer, all this stuff? Well, I found a girl on Instagram. Her work is amazing. I'm really excited to be working with her. I think it's awesome to try out new photographers. Windsor had me send pictures of the locations because before we could even shoot, we needed to have an approved location. So the location that we're shooting at is the Long Center in Austin, Texas. The outside is like really pretty. You guys will see it's gorgeous. The area, it's like super big as well. So we're gonna do 10 outfit changes, 10 different looks, approximately 5 photos for each outfit. So in total, like 50 photos that I'll have to send over. All right, I'm gonna go in to my hair salon. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the sign, Salon Mystique, of where I go. Yeah, I'm so excited. So let's go get a blowout. Yeah, that looks pretty. Okay, cool.
My mind is a barrel, loaded clips and my guns tucked. Literally stupid up in the booth, I do dumb stuff. My words are like kung fu and I'm coming with nunchucks. I excel for my dreams, my ideas get a thumbs up. They all in my business, first on a hit list. I ain't coming up from rags, but I'm on the road to riches. Ruffy got his own swag, Jangy got these hoes mad but love it when they see me like unravel gifts on Christmas.
And that's word to Mel Gibson and all the fake Christians. I copped the new Jordan drop, I'm feeling like Tristan. They study my flow the same way as ballistics, and we got mad prisons, so we back abolition. I'm tap water sipping, Fiji not an option. Ferragamo window shopping, she think my obsession toxic. Nah, I like girls that don't believe in the hype until they see it when I breathe in the mic.
Check, I'm at the door of my show.
Hi guys, if you hear that noise, I literally have my heater right pointing at my legs because I'm freezing. So sorry about the noise, but let's do a prom makeup get ready with me. You guys can totally copy this look, maybe use it as an inspiration for whenever it's time for your prom. But after going through homecoming and prom, let me tell you, this is my go-to. Okay, so I have my makeup brushes. I am obsessed with these hair clips. If you don't have any, I'm sure you can find some on Amazon. Laura Mercier sent me these and I wear them every time I do my makeup because look at that. It just keeps like your hair out of your face. Oh, also I didn't even show you my hair. So this is what it looks like. Sierra did such an amazing job. She's also literally so fun to talk to. In an hour or two, these are gonna get like looser and stuff, but right now I'm obsessed. First off, I'm gonna put some sunscreen on. Sunscreen is super important, even though prom is indoors and stuff. While you're taking photos, while you're eating dinner, and just throughout the day, I definitely would recommend wearing sunscreen because you should always protect your skin. So my favorite one is Super Goop, and I have the SPF 40, and it's called Unseen Sunscreen. It's water and sweat resistant, so if you sweat, don't even worry, because you'll be okay. Next, I'm gonna put on some primer. I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. I've used this guy forever. Really, really good and hydrating. I just put a little bit, and then I put it on top. Before you do any makeup, one thing that I will always recommend is washing your hands before. And I'll also, whatever product I have left over of anything, I literally just like put it down my neck. If I'm not doing a prom look, I'm doing like an everyday makeup look, I'll do my tinted moisturizer from Glossier. But because obviously prom is a night where you want long-lasting coverage, this is what I would recommend. So I picked this up at the drugstore. It is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow 24-Hour Foundation. I'm the shade 207 Sand Beige. And let me tell you, this thing has an airlight texture but a medium coverage, so it lasts up to 24 hours. Oh, that was kind of a lot. Okay, I just put so much on my face. Let me split that over here. So I just take a fluffy brush and buff it into my face. I don't really like beauty blenders. Now that my foundation is done, I'm gonna do concealer. I only use one brand because I only trust this one, and it is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I literally only put 2 tiny dots under my eyes because this stuff goes a long way. My biggest tip if you're using this concealer is to go really fast after applying it because it does dry really quickly after you've put it on your skin, but the coverage is amazing. I'm gonna put on some powder because this girl has oily face. It's really embarrassing. My face gets so oily and nobody wants to see that. So I'm going to bake my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is so funny. Before I even knew how to use it, I literally put this all over my face. Like, I went to my mom's bathroom and thought it was just powder that you put on your face, and I looked like Casper the Ghost. All these areas I get very oily. And while this bakes, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are kind of okay today. Nonetheless, we're gonna fill them in. For eyebrows, I use the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. Anything by Benefit I recommend for your brows. Now we can take off the setting powder. We are going to contour. It's pretty basic. All I do is the motion of a 3. So first I start on the side of my cheek. Then I'll take it down. Then I'll go back. And then I'll take it to the top. We're gonna do a little bit of nose contouring. For my nose specifically, I really try to emphasize this little curve right here to give me more of like a button nose. And then whatever's left on my brush, I'll just use to go up on each side of the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm gonna do blush. I use the Laura Mercier blush. This one's good though. I really like Laura Mercier in general. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. This stuff is amazing. If you don't know what highlighter is, if you put it on your face correctly, it can like make your face hit differently in the sun. It kind of gives it a little pop. So I have a fan brush from Tarte. I put it on the cheekbones of my face. I put a little bit on my nose. I'll put on my Cupid's bow. I'm going to comb through my lashes, make sure they're all even and everything. I don't like to do heavy eye makeup. That could just be me. I know prom is a time where people like to go crazy and do like eyeshadow and glitter and all that, and I think that's amazing. You could totally do that, but for me personally, I like to keep it a little bit more natural looking. That way my dress gets more attention and my shoes. So that is why I just kind of go for like a natural classic look. All right, for lip, this is what I am going to do. So I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner. A dupe for that, if you don't want to spend money on Charlotte Tilbury, or if you can't find it, because I know it's selling out all the time, is the ColourPop Lippy Pencil. As you can tell, I've literally used so much of this thing. It's like shrunken now. but it's pretty much the same color. It's like a very pretty nude color. ColourPop is super affordable. Love ColourPop, but because the Pillow Talk lip liner is like very long lasting, I'm gonna wear this. So for lip lining, I don't really do anything too dramatic, but I just outline my lips and then I'll fill them in. All right, so that's what they look like just filled in. Now I'm gonna add the Pillow Talk lipstick. This packaging is gorgeous. And that's what this looks like. But for me, I don't like to stop there. I do like matte looks on my lips. I'm such a glitter and shine person that I have to go in with some sort of lip gloss. So I'm gonna be using, my current favorite lip product is the Dior Lip Maximizer Hyaluronic Lip Plumper. This thing like maximizes your lips. It makes it feel like you just got lip injections. Yeah, I think mine is just color pink. But yeah, it adds a little bit of shine. I really like it. I think it's so cute. Sometimes I like to add a little bit of something in the corner of my eye, like glitter or highlighter. I might do that, I might not, but I'll probably do that right before I leave. But that is my prom makeup tutorial. I'm obsessed, oh my gosh. Also, I'm obsessed with my hair. It smells like amazing roses. I'll see you guys in about an hour. I'm gonna go watch an episode of Selling Sunset really quick, and then we'll get to the dresses and everything. All right, bye. All right, y'all, I have one of the dresses on. This is everything that we're gonna be bringing to the shoot. So in this backpack, we have all of the shoes. We took them out of the box. We're gonna bring a blanket in case there's like no bathrooms to change at. My mom will just hold that up. And here I have my like sticky bra and sticky pads. And then in the suitcase, we have all of the dresses. I'm wearing one of them right now. Really beautiful pink color. We're about to head out soon and start driving there. I'm gonna load the car really quickly though. Okay, so it's literally freezing outside. It's like 40 degrees and we're shooting in the beginning of January, so that should say enough. I decided to put on some Aviator Nation sweatpants and then I'm wearing my Crocs also. So when the photographer meets me, I hope she doesn't think I'm crazy or like, what is she wearing? Because I'm literally wearing the most random outfit ever. Originally I was gonna go by myself, but I realized because we're gonna be shooting so many different dresses, I wanted my mom to be there. That way she could help me and just to make like the time go by quicker, because the later that we keep shooting, the colder it's gonna get.
Is anyone out there more alone than us? Endlessly spinning round and round the sun. I think I once knew something I forgot.
Hi guys, okay, we're at the Long Center right now. It's freezing.
Flipping cold.
We're literally sitting with a blanket on.
This is the wind.
Yeah, the wind is like
Sun
crazy.
helps though.
Okay, so this is where we're shooting at. It's this really pretty, they still have candy canes. I wish they didn't have all the candy cane stuff, but it's this big like open thing and you can see the city. It's really pretty. And yeah, the photographer's gonna be here soon. I'm really excited. Shunlet. I think her name's Shunlet. Shunlet. Yeah. Y'all, I have my feet by the heater. It is 6 o'clock. I'm literally freezing. Let me show you guys a photo from the shoot. We had to move fast because it's like 20 degrees outside. But look at that. Sorry, there's dust on my phone. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The girl that I worked with is amazing. She's so sweet, so fun to work with, and we just had like the best time ever. So I can't feel my toes. They're on the heater right now. Oh, it's so cold. But we're done. shoot is wrapped, and now we're gonna go eat mandolas. So I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Wish me luck I don't get hypothermia. Ciao.
Woke up thinking it was still yesterday.